Hi Year 12, just a bit of Friday fun with log areas and integration. Now you've done a whole pile of work on areas under curves already, where we know that if it's a straight area like that, all we have to do is integrate and go between A and B. If there's something underneath the curve or on either side, you use your odd function, even function, you can double them up or whatever. Anyway, as these things get harder using logs and exponentials and stuff, the areas that you're finding are generally easier. Don't quote me on that, but the ones that we'll look at, and particularly this one today, is a pretty easy one. Okay, so if you've got areas between the curves, you're going to be underneath that one and over that one, remember. So I'm going to look to that one. So it's that area minus that area. And if this one's just a straight line or something, remember that's going to be like a trapezium or a triangle. And you don't have to use integration for that. You can take the machine gun to the knife fight and integrate that, but sometimes it's just easier to go half base height or use area of a trapezium, whatever it happens to be. Okay, 5J, 7A. Looking at this one now, the diagram's drawn for you in that question, and it says find the area between these curves from 1 to 4. The curve is this one, 2 minus 2 on x, looks like it's going to be a log to me, and y equals half x minus 1, just a straight line. So when it's a straight line, we're going to do a triangle. Get to that in a sec. Okay, so the area of this bit under here, I think that they both go through 0, 0, so it makes it easy. Integral of 2 minus 2x, so the integral of 2 is 2x, and the integral of 2 over x is 2 log x, but just jump over here, 2 over x, bring the 2 out the front, and then that's 2 lots of 1 on x, which is just 2 log x. So you can pretty much do that in your head, but maybe practice like that too. Okay, so 2x minus 2 log x from 1 to 4. Let's go all the way through that bit. So chuck the 4 in, 2 4s are 8 minus 2 log 4, and then chuck the 1 in, 2 and 2 log of 1 is 0. So that one goes to 0 like when Molly was talking about. Okay, so then that's 8 minus 2 log 4 minus 2, which gives you, okay, hang on, so that's that bit there. Now let's jump over to this bit here. So this is the bottom of the triangle. Half base height, half base height. I had to find that number up there, 3 on 2, which is that point, so I could either chuck it into that one or into that one. So if I put 4 in there, 4 minus 1 is 3, times a half is 3 on 2. So that height there is 3 on 2. So half base height, half times 3 on 2 gives me 9 on 4. So 8, 2 log 4 minus 2 is all of that bit. Minus 9 on 4 gives me 3 3/4 minus 2 log 4. Too easy. And most of the ones are very similar to that you're going to be looking at today.